Hi everyone! From now, we are going to introduce many things about Japan. This is Aaron from India. He will be going to elementary school in Japan from April this year. He is very excited for his first school experience in Japan. Nice to meet you. I'm Aaron. Like Aaron, for everyone who is going to school for the first time, we are going to introduce Japanese elementary school life to everyone. Are you ready, Aaron-kun?
Yes.
Now, let's learn how to greet others in Japan. When you leave your house, you say 行ってきます to people in your house. The people in your house say 行ってらっしゃい. Elementary school students in Japan go to school by walking every day. There are no adults and kids walk together. You need to be careful when you walk near streets with traffic or traffic lights. Oh, Arian-kun, let's stop when there is a red light. Every year, there are many traffic accidents of first and second grade students, so there are adults standing in the crosswalks every morning. When the green light is blinking, they will stop the children from running and teach them to wait for the next green light. In Japan, we say blue light for green lights. Aaron-kun, let's greet the adult with the yellow flag. おはようございます。おはようございます。In the morning, you say おはようございます。Let's say it together. おはよう means early. ございます is a way to say it neatly. The greeting for noon is こんにちは. こんにちは means how are you this noon? At night, you say こんばんは. こんばんは means how are you this night? Let's remember the three greetings: morning, noon, and night. いってらっしゃい。車に気をつけて。Every day, kids go to school while being watched over by adults. In Japanese schools, every morning there is an 挨拶当番. おはようございます。挨拶当番 is students who stand in front of the school and greet other students coming to school. They stand with the teachers. A cheerful greeting in the morning makes everyone feel very good. Arian-kun, let's greet them without being shy. おはようございます。おはようございます。Arian-kun, how was your first greeting at school? I was a bit nervous. Once you get to school, you first change your shoes. In the entrance, you find a shoe rack with your grade, class, and name. And there, you change from your outdoor shoes to your indoor shoes. In Japan, there is a tradition that you take off the shoes that you wore outside when you go inside. This is an important habit for Japanese people who like clean things. Now it's almost a classroom. A classroom is a place at school where students break out into rooms and study. Find your classroom by looking for your grade and kumi. Found it! It's here! In the classroom, there is a door on the front and back. Inside the classroom, there is a blackboard in the front and back, and there are desks and chairs facing the blackboard in the front. Students first sit in their seats and first open their randoseru. They take out things that they would need and put their randoseru in the randoseru corner. Ohayo! A classmate of Aryan has talked to him. Can Aryan be friends?